Hello everybody, we're working outside today. A while ago I started building this trailer and I got a lot of negative comments about it. Most guys telling me it was going to fall apart as soon as I hooked it to a truck. A lot of armchair warriors telling me the welds were no good, blah 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 blah, but nobody ever showed me their trailer. This is a 16,000 pound trailer. Upgraded the axles since the last time. Feels like some rain's moving in on us, but this trailer, we decked it yesterday. Got Gary helping me today, and it's ready to go basically as a trailer. I got black paint under where all the boards went down. I didn't waste any time sandblasting it. I'm just using some Bill Hirsch Miracle paint. I really like that stuff. Much better than the POR 15 on rusted metal. And I put a jack in today. We got our attachment set up here. And like I say, this is ready to go if it was going to be a trailer. And there she is. I am not going to make it a trailer. It could be used as a trailer right now, but I am going to build a building on it. Not a tiny house, but a different style building, which I'll show you along the way. There's Gary getting set up with the camera. We're going to start cutting some steel. Like I say, the deck is on. Still need another piece of decking in here. And we're going to put some outriggers on here. And if it doesn't rain on us too much today, I will show you how far we get with this. And we're ready to start cutting. So I'm going to give the camera to Gary, and we are going to cut some steel. Hey guys, welcome back. Working on this trailer again. I had a bunch of footage from the other day, but for some reason it got messed up on the camera and I didn't get it. I just finished putting the extensions on yesterday. Gary helped me out, and we've got all these extensions on. 5'6" on each side. So you can see we're nice and straight down there. Now we're going to put a 2x6 outer rail on that side. And I got the jack on so that it's easier to jack and move around. We got this side on. Nice and straight. So I'm shooting for an overall width of 19 feet, and it's going to be 26 feet right to this main structure here, and then I'm going to have just over 3 feet in this area over the tongue. And what this is actually going to be, I was going to leave it as a trailer, but I decided not to. And what this is actually going to be is a paint booth, a homemade paint booth. In my last shop I had a commercially built side downdraft booth, and it was good, but it wasn't big enough. It was, let's see, 14 by 22, and when I had a Jeep body all exploded, you know, everything, the fenders, the hood, the grill, everything like that, there wasn't enough room in that booth I had. And it was a side downdraft, and I really liked that. So I'm going to do a side downdraft here with some tube axial fans and filters and the whole setup. So I've got to get the outer rail on. I think I'm going to cover the entire trailer, maybe in diamond plate or just plain steel. I'm not sure. I'm trying to keep the weight down. Diamond plate's a little bit heavier than just regular steel, 1/8" plate, and I get the 1/8" plate a little bit thicker. So it'll get decked once I get all the steel in place. And like I say, I had some footage, welded everything together with some Hobart Fab Shield 21B, and it came out pretty nice, but all that stuff got lost or corrupted on the camera. All the welds came out very nice. I like using that. It's 045 wire, Hobart Fab Shield 21B. If anybody's thinking of using that, it's fantastic stuff. And that's what I got everything welded on with yesterday. And it's coming along. I'll show you step by step how I put all the guts in this unit if anybody's interested. I don't know how much interest this is going to generate, but if anybody would like to see how a real paint booth gets built, I'd be happy to show you. If you're interested, just send me a comment or put a comment below. Let me know what you think. But I've got Gary returning today, and I think Frank, the Scout guy, you've seen the Scout guy building some Scout parts in here. He's done building Scout parts for the moment, and he's going to help me out with this. We're going to get the military truck out, I think, so we can hold these side pieces in place without straining and trying to weld them, and because they're pretty heavy. So I'll take a few minutes to get set up with hook the tractor to this, back it out a little bit, get that military truck out, and we will go to town and start putting the outer rail on and get things welded up. So hang in there, I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I got Gary and I got Frank down the end. Frank's trying to make the leap from student to apprentice. He's going to help me put this outer piece on here. We got the military truck, and I got the Miller Trailblazer running. Hold on, let's get Moose in there. There's Moose, he's helping too. There he comes. Okay guys, we're gonna get this in place, and I'll tack it in and get things straightened out. Right on that black thing.
Sure?
That black is the center.
Ah. Ah.
Like it?
Brian, you gotta go this whole one. Just get. Right there. Went too far.
Okay, we're flipped around and we're just lifting up the second 2x6 1/4-inch wall. Frank and Gary are working on that. I'll go over and get it tacked in place. Okay guys, I got both extensions just about finished up today. Skies are getting cloudy. I'm worried about the rain coming in. But I've got the outer rail on there. Got a little bit of welding to do on that. And on the other side, I've got that outer rail on there. And I think you can see we're nice and straight. So that's what we're looking like. 19 feet wide by just over 26 feet long. And then I've got, like I was explaining before, I've got that other 3-foot extension in the front here. I'm going to make a little bit of a mixing room here, put a little bench in there. So that's 19 by, I might make that 4 feet, I'm not sure. But I just got this stuff tacked. I got to move the trailer again because I was starting the field on fire with the sparks. But that's what it's looking like. So I've got these 3 pieces here, which are going to fit in this area. They're going to go in this direction. So there'll be 3 of those in there. And then I might put a few more in this center triangular area here. And that'll make a good sturdy floor. And I don't have the floor material yet. And we do have some rain coming. So I'm going to turn this around, get it back where it's going to stay for a while. And get all the welding finished up. And by that time, hopefully I'll have the floor. And we'll get moving on the floor, and then we can start framing the walls and the roof and get some doors on this thing. So that's where I'm at today, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.